Now there's a variety of scrapers available as well. Everything from a big handheld scraper to clean off surfaces to smaller handheld scrapers. You can get these in a stainless as well, which is the sharpest, heavy-dutiest putty knife I've ever seen. This is a heavy-duty, rugged, very sharp tool. Would definitely scrape things clean. They've got some with these pre-molded handles. Like I said, they're all one piece, so that's really slick. And then they have some like this that you can screw on other handles. So if you need a little bit more reach, you can use a short handle, or you can use longer handles like this, or the mop handle I just showed you, and screw it on as well to get those further away, harder to reach locations. And then they've got these that's more like a paddle or a bigger scraper. A variety of uses. So you got all kinds of stuff here. So that's some of the options on scrapers available.